Y'all, so 2 months after the original completion of the forts, in 1 month of not being down here, we came down here, and this place is so overgrown. We got 10 inches since we finished this, and I mean, look at this. It's insane. There's like literal grass growing in some of the forts. Like this stuff. Like, it doesn't even look like people have been down here for like a year. Williams has stuff growing on the sides. All of the all the leaves on June's are dead. Nothing's growing in hers though. Little like natural onion thingies are growing on the side of Henry's. These things. Graves are doing good. Ford's fort actually fell down. It collapsed. This path is overgrown. Jonas's had a plant literally growing in there. And then when you get all the way over to mine, there's like plants growing up the sides. Crazy overgrown.